Hi, it's Kojitech here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to hide your YouTube subscribers and get something like this. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, as I have more videos and tutorials coming out. We have our YouTube page open. That's Kojitech's page. We have 14 subscribers there. I'll go to my YouTube profile picture, then I'll click on it, go to YouTube Studio. Now my YouTube Studio page is opening. Now we have it. So you go down on our left hand side of the page, we click on settings. I'll click on settings as settings page pop up. There we have general, channel, upload default. Then we click on the channel for us to get the channel options. We have basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. I'll go to advanced settings, click on it, then I'll scroll down. There we have subscriber count. That's display the number of people subscribed to my channel. I'll click on the tick box, then I'll save it. Yeah, settings save. So I'll go to my profile picture again, click on it, then I'll go to your channel. There we have it. No subscriber. Kojitech. There are no subscriber there.